Inside J.Lo S-Dream Luxury Home Tour. Jennifer Lopez's rise from the Bronx to becoming a global icon of style and success is an inspiration. Today, she owns some of the most luxurious homes in the world, ready to explore her glamorous retreats that offer a blend of elegance, opulence, and unique charm. Experience J.Lo Essie first major foray into luxury, a sprawling Beverly Hills mansion boasting 15,000 square feet, complete with 11 bedrooms, a grand theater, and serene grounds perfect for hosting. This home marked the beginning of her enviable portfolio. Step into Miami's exclusive Star Island and witness the estate that defines tropical elegance. With infinity pools, a private dock, and vibrant gardens, this expansive property is a paradise where luxury meets tranquility. J.Lo's French-inspired Bel Air mansion radiates sophistication. Featuring an amphitheater, guest cottages, and an infinity pool, it's a space perfect for both family life and entertaining in grandeur. It's not just a home, it's a statement. Want more exclusive glimpses into the world's most iconic homes? Subscribe and join us for more ultimate tours that will awaken the luxury enthusiast in you. Let's keep exploring, dreaming, and living the high life together.